Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Good afternoon. Well, as we're ending 2019, we're going to end it on a cool note. The next couple of days are going to be a bit chilly out there, and then we've got that rain, which increases by Wednesday morning. And for New Year's Day, it's going to be a rather rainy, cool day. If you're wanting that sunshine, though, by the end of the week, it looks pretty good. Sun will be back out Friday and into the weekend as temperatures come up a little bit. Right now, though, we're sitting at 60 degrees in Corpus Christi. We've got a lot of these mid and high level clouds over the area, a light easterly wind, and the dew points are still pretty low. That's going to allow temperatures to drop tonight, but those are going to be climbing as moisture increases the next couple of days. Right now, we are anywhere from 59 at Port Aransas to 62 at Alice right now. A cool start to the evening, and tonight those clouds will thin out a little bit and temperatures will drop down to near 40 degrees well inland and at the coastline in the lower 50s tonight. So we'll call it mostly cloudy tonight, but there will be some breaks in those clouds before they thicken up again tomorrow, and we're going to see a mostly cloudy day and temperatures only topping out in the lower 60s. So on the cool side again tomorrow, and that breeze starts to pick up a little bit to about 15 miles an hour. These are the forecast highs, and you can see tomorrow we are below average on our high temperature. Right now we've got these higher clouds that are streaming in from the southwest. Again, we'll have some of these around tonight, may thin out a little bit as they pull eastward. And then we're watching our next system developing out to the west, and you can see there's this area of lower pressure that's going to continue to develop and pull toward us. As it does, it's going to pick up that moisture and give us that rainfall for the start of the year. You can see that in the upper level winds. This is an upper level low pressure center, rather similar pattern to what we saw on December 20th and 21st. Remember when we picked up to 4 inches of rain? Another area, pretty strong low pressure, is lifting in the same direction that system was, and it's going to spread that moisture, especially South Texas. Going to see the highest totals from this before it moves to the east, and by Friday that drier air starts to work its way in. For right now, though, we're going to be stuck with a lot of cloud cover, cool temperatures, and that rain. Here's a look at Future Tracker. Now tomorrow night, many of you may be going out to celebrate the new year, and at midnight tomorrow night it still looks dry across the area and cool. As we head through the night, though, you can see how the rain increases by early Wednesday morning, and that'll gradually lift to the north. So the farther north you live, it may take a little while for that rain to get going Wednesday, but nevertheless we'll all start to see that. The heaviest rainfall is going to be closer to the coastline. Highest totals will be close to the coast and then inland a little bit lower, but you can see this yellow area indicating moderate rain coming down Wednesday afternoon to Wednesday night. As we get into Wednesday night and Thursday morning, you can see the rain starts to let up a little bit, but we still have showers around to start the day Thursday. So your morning commute, if you're heading back to work after the new year, is going to be on the wet side before that rain pulls out of here and we start drying out. Now, forecast models are differing on the forecast amounts of rain. I'm going with the highest totals, considering all that moisture lifting ahead of this. And this model here is showing anywhere from about an inch if you live inland near George west of Freer. But as you get closer to the coast, we have the potential of reaching up to 3 inches of rainfall. I think most areas coming in about an inch to 2 inches, so we should get a pretty good dose. And Wednesday looks like a good day to stay indoors and perhaps just watch some football, as for the new year we're looking at 64 and rain is likely. Here is a look at your 7-day forecast. This is brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So we have below average temperatures the next couple of days through Wednesday. Rain becoming likely, moving out early Thursday. Nights will jump into the 50s but cool back down this weekend as the air dries out. And we're looking pretty nice as we get into Friday and the weekend, as we'll see sunshine and milder days ahead as we go into early next week.